Yes, a very good morning to all of you. So we were revising algebraic expression. Yesterday we have started with the revision of algebraic expression. So I was telling you about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. That algebraic expression, they can be added with two methods. One is horizontal, another is vertical. So you can go with horizontal method or vertical method to add algebraic expression. But if it is mentioned in the paper, you have to do it, follow the accordingly, the method is to be followed, right? So let us start with exercise 9.1. Identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following. So I am doing fourth part. This is the expression. So if we are talking about terms, 3 minus PQ, QR minus RP. There are 4 terms in this expression, right? And if we are talking about the coefficients, P का coefficient 3 ही लेंगे, PQ का -1, whatever is written over here, the constant will be treated as coefficient -1, QR का coefficient 1 and RP का coefficient -1. Do attend your class. Your class, so many students, they used to get absent in the classes. Bache, your exams are going to be conducted offline. So just listen to teachers, listen the revision lectures carefully. Only then you will be able to get passing marks, right? So do attend your classes. So these are the terms and these are their corresponding coefficients, right? Chaliye. Now I'm going to take one add and one subtract question. So let me take third question, fourth part. Third question, fourth part I am taking. Add L square plus M square, M square plus N square, and N square plus L square. And one more expression is 2LM plus 2MN plus 2ML. These are the expressions which are to be added. When there are more than 2 expressions in a question, then better to go with the horizontal method. When there are only 2 expressions, then the vertical method is the best way. But when there are more than 2 expressions in a question, you can go with the horizontal method. So how we'll do it? Just a minute. Wait. How we will do it? Take it to be horizontally. L square M square plus M square plus N square second, N square plus L square third, 2LM, 2MN plus 2NL fourth. So when we are adding the algebraic expression horizontally, we know that like terms are to be combined. So if I'm looking at L square, is there any term which is of the similar kind L square जैसी हो? ऐसी कोई term जो बिल्कुल L square जैसी ही हो? The term which is similar to L square, this is L square itself. This is L square. This is L square. Let us combine them. Tick करते जाओ साथ साथ. L square plus L square plus M square plus M square plus N square plus N square. And इनके जैसी कोई नहीं है. 2LM जैसा कोई नहीं है. MN जैसा कोई नहीं है. And even NL जैसा भी कोई नहीं है. You will write them as it is. 2LM, 2MN plus 2NL. ठीक है? So you will be having L square plus L square, it will become 2L square. M square plus M square will become 2M square. N square, 2N square plus 2LM plus 2mn plus 2nl, right? So whenever the expressions are more, that means as we are having 4 expressions here. So in that case, you go with the horizontal method. That will give you the better way to solve the question if you're going with the horizontal method, right? Chaliye. Let us start. Let us take one more question of subtraction from the same exercise. Fourth question, C part. Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Subtract this from this. So let us start with the solution. You know, in case of subtraction, I told you when there are 2 expressions, then better to go with the vertical method. And in case of vertical method, whatever is written after from, that will be written first. हम उसको पहले लेंगे जो from के बाद लिखा हुआ. चलिए. Let us arrange the like terms to solve it with horizontal method. We will arrange the like terms. So let us arrange 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. I have written the expression which is written after from. From के बाद वाला हमें पहले लेना होता है. So accordingly I am taking after from whatever is written, I am taking it first. Now the terms are to be arranged, like terms are to be arranged. First is 18, constant. You just see that in this expression, is there any term which is constant? Yes, it is minus 10. Right here, minus 10. This is minus 3p. P जैसी कोई term first expression में? Yes, it is minus 8p. Q जैसी कोई term? This is 7q. So I am arranging here plus 7q. PQ जैसी कोई term? Yes, it is minus 3pq. PQ square जैसी कोई term? PQ square. This is plus 5pq square. P square Q जैसी term? This is 4p square Q. Write it here. Plus 4p square Q. So first of all, to arrange the like terms is very important when we are either subtracting or adding algebraic expression. अगर आपने like terms को arrange करते हुए कोई गलती कर दी तो आपका पूरा sum गलत होने के चांसेस. So while to arranging the like terms, see it very carefully that whether everything is all right. Right? Now, as I told you yesterday, that whenever you are going to subtract, you have to change the signs, and signs will be changed according to the second line. That means this. Plus है तो minus, plus है तो minus, minus है तो plus, plus है तो minus, minus है तो. This I change the sign. So after changing the sign, now the signs of the expressions, terms which are in the second line, they will be whatever we are writing here. That means इसका sign अब minus नहीं है, इसका sign अब plus हो गया. इसका sign अब minus नहीं है, it will be plus. इसका sign plus नहीं है, minus. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल देती होती हूँ कि फरिश्ते आते हैं और मदद करके चले जाते हैं. ये लाइन आई, इसने हमारी हेल्प की, हमने साइन चेंज किए और पुराने वाले साइन जो हैं वो गायब हो गए. वी आर हैविंग द न्यू साइंस हियर. राइट? नहीं, प्लस माइनस माइनस 5p स्क्वायर क्यू में से 4p स्क्वायर क्यू निकला. इट विल लेफ्ट विद 1p स्क्वायर क्यू. बिगर इज 5, साइन इज ऑफ प्लस. देन minus minus plus 5pq square and 2pq square. This is 7pq square. Bigger one is 5, sign is of minus. 5 का sign minus. नीचे वाला sign देखना. Right? Again match up the sign. plus plus plus, this is 5pq, this is 3pq, it becomes 8pq. Bigger one is sign 5, sign is of plus, बड़े नंबर का साइन, ठीक है. Minus minus plus, this is 11q and 7q. Collectively it becomes 18q, right? Bigger one is 11, sign is of minus. Then plus minus minus 8p minus 3p, it will give you 5p. So bigger one is 8, sign is of plus. Plus 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 18 and 10, 28. Bigger one is 18, sign is of plus. So this is the way to subtract an algebraic expression from the another algebraic expression. एक algebraic expression को दूसरे algebraic expression में से subtract करने के लिए you have to firstly arrange the like terms, then you have to manage the signs. आपने signs जो हैं उनको देखना है. Second row के accordingly you will change the sign, and in the answer the sign of the bigger number you will write. Right? चलिए. So this is all about addition and subtraction. Now we will learn multiplication of algebraic expression. Let us start the next topic. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. As we did addition subtraction, now we will do multiplication of algebraic expression. Let us take some example. So first of all, we will see that how a monomial is getting multiplied with monomial. Monomial means algebraic expression having one term. जैसे कि मेरे पास है, I want to multiply minus 4p with 7p. Minus 4p with 7. As I told you that in addition subtraction, like terms are added subtracted. Unlike terms को हम add subtract नहीं कर सकते. Only the like terms can be added and subtracted. But multiplication में terms के like factors they will be multiplied. Right? जैसे ये दो terms हैं. इसका पहला factor है -4, इसका पहला factor है 7. They are like because they both are constant. So we'll multiply them. 4 7s are 28 plus minus minus. This is P. This is P. This is the second factor of the term. They are of the same category. P into P, 2P नहीं. Add में 2 आगे लगता है. But जब हम multiply करते हैं P into P become P square. Exponent के through. Basis same. Multiply का sign powers get added. Multiply में power बढ़ती है. और addition में if I add P plus P it will be 2P. Addition में आगे constant लगता है. और मल्टीप्लाई में यही कांस्टेंट पावर में. ठीक है. This will be minus 20. This is the way that how the monomial will get multiplied with monomial. Monomial means expression having one term. जिस expression में one term है उसको one term वाले expression से कैसे multiply किया जाता है? Multiplication of like factors will be done. Right? चलिए. Question number second, 9.2 exercise. Length and breadth of rectangle are given and we have to find the area of the rectangle. Last part I am taking. Length is given to be 3 mm and breadth is given to be 4 np. We want to find the area of the rectangle. So area of rectangle का formula. Anyone who can tell me the area of rectangle? Raise your hand. Japuji, Manasvi, Kritika, anyone else? Amarjot. Yes, Amarjot, you tell. Amarjot, you tell area of rectangle.
Area of rectangle is equal to L into B.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So I'm going to replace the values of length and breadth. Length is 3 mm and breadth is 4 np. So multiplication में the like factors are multiplied. As in addition subtraction, like terms are added subtracted. Similarly, in multiplication, like factors of the terms, they will get multiplied. Here 3 4s are 12. M जैसा कोई नहीं है. M n into n की power 2 and p अकेला. लाइक फैक्टर जिसको मुश्किल लग रहा है वो लाइक फैक्टर्स को इकट्ठा करके लिख ले. लाइक 3 into 4 m अकेला हुआ, n into n and p अकेला. Write the like factors collectively. So you will be getting 12 m n square into 3. Right? So like factors are to be collected. Chaliye, let us do the next. Question number 4. Find the volume of cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. Question number 4. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid is given to us. Length is 2x. Length is xy. I'm taking the second part. Third part rather. Breadth is 2x square y. And height is 2x y square. Length, breadth and height, they are given to us. And we want to find the volume of cuboid. Can anyone tell me the formula for the volume of cuboid? Raise your hand. Japuji, Pragati. Anyone else? Khyati. Khyati, you tell. What is the volume of cuboid? Khyati.
Length into breadth into height.
Shabash. Volume of cuboid this is equal to length into breadth into height. Xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So like factors are to be multiplied. This is x. इकट्ठा लिख लेते हैं. X into x square into x. Y into y into y square. Constant कौन से हैं? 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. X into x square x cube. 2 power 1 power add होके 3 बन गई. Y into y की power 1 y की power 1 y की power 2. This is power 3, this is power 1. Multiply will become power 4. X power 4. And y की power 2, y की power 2 becomes y की power 4. So this is the way we are multiplying the different terms of in the form of different expressions. That means their like factors will be multiplied, right? Chaliye. Now we learned that how to multiply monomial by monomial. Now in the next exercise, we are going to learn that how to multiply a monomial by binomial. So I'm taking 9.3, question number 4, A part. 9.3, question number 4, A part. Fourth question, A part. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 3 plus 3. So I told you when there is a bracket, how to multiply, how to get the things out of the bracket by doing the multiplication. So I told you one rhythm. First bracket, first number. ये अभी तो वैसे दो brackets है ही नहीं है. What we will do? This number will go inside and will get multiplied with each and every number. First of all, we'll match up the sign. Let us match up the sign. Plus 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 3x multiplied by 4x. plus minus minus 3x multiplied by 3 plus 3. Now same procedure as we did earlier. This is 3x into 4x, 3 into 4 12, x into x x square, 3 3s are 9x plus 3. So we are getting this answer. He says also find the value of the expression at x is equal to 3 and at x is equal to 1 by 2. So first of all, we'll find the value at x is equal to 3. Put x equal to 3. पहले सिंप्लीफाई करना है फिर वैल्यू पुट करनी. कई बच्चे सीधा वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं, सिंप्लीफाई करते नहीं. Firstly you will simplify, then you will replace the value. ठीक है? So I simplified. Now I am going to replace x by 3. 12 3 square 9 into 3 plus 3. We will replace x by 3. कुछ चेंजेस नहीं करनी. जहां प्लस है वहां प्लस रहेगा, जहां माइनस है वहां माइनस रहेगा, जहां 12 है वहां 12 रहेगा, जहां 3 है वहां 3 रहेगा. ओनली चेंज विल बी x will be replaced by 3. जहां जहां x है वहां वहां हमारे पास 3 आ जाएगा. So this will be 12 into 9 minus 27 plus 3. That is 108 minus 27 plus 3. This will be 81 plus 3. That is 84. Right? Simplify, and after simplification, get the value of, you can say, expression at x is equal to 3. Now fourth question, second part. Solve it yourself. अमरजोत, हाँ जी बोलिए. अमरजोत.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम आपने 4x minus 5 है, आपने 3 लिखा हुआ है.
एक मिनट, कहाँ पे?
मैम क्वेश्चन
चलो एनी हाउ
5 है.
ओके, वी डिड द प्रैक्टिस. हो सकता है पेपर में 3 आ जाए, 7 आ जाए, क्या आ जाए पता ही नहीं. अदरवाइज यू कैन डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली अगर 5 हो तो. ठीक है अमरजोत. सेकेंड पार्ट प्लीज डू इट. Now let us start with fifth question. In fifth question, it is different type of question. Why it is different? Because in this question you will see that all the mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, they are coming in a single question. Let us see how to tackle them. I am doing fifth question, B part. Fifth question, B part. Two x into z minus x minus y is to be multiplied, is to be added to 2y z minus y minus x. अब देखो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में आपने जब ऐड करना है, you can go only with the horizontal method, otherwise it will be difficult to do it with vertical method. कोई ना कोई mistake रह जाएगा. So you will go with the vertical horizontal method. सबसे पहले we'll open the bracket. कैसे देखना जरा. जैसे मैंने आपको भी बताया, this will go and meet this plus plus plus. This is 2xz plus minus minus 2x into x x square plus minus 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 2xy. Right? Now it is plus 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 2yz plus minus minus 2y into y square plus minus minus 2yx. Now they are to be added. So like terms देखें जरा. xz जैसी कोई टर्म है नहीं है, ऐसे लिखो. x स्क्वायर जैसी नहीं है, ऐसे लिखो. माइनस 2xy माइनस 2xy इकट्ठा करो. yz जैसी कोई नहीं है, ऐसे. y स्क्वायर जैसी कोई नहीं है. We collect the like terms. This will be 2xz minus 2x square. This is minus minus plus 2 and 2 4 minus 4xy minus 2y square and minus 2yz. So like terms are to be collected when we are adding, right? When we are multiplying, just simple the number we enter in the bracket and we'll get the things multiplied. But when we are adding or subtracting, we are to collect the like terms accordingly. हमने like terms को collect करके ही add subtract जो है वो करना है. हम कर ही ऐसे सकते हैं. Add subtract करने का वे ही है कि हम like terms को इकट्ठा करें. So now you can do its B part. B part, do it yourself. B part you can do yourself. Open the brackets. Then the like terms are to be collected and then they are to be added. Do the second part yourself. Same question. All of you. Then we are left with the last question of the exercise. Same way as we have done a question in which addition was there, multiplication was there. Similarly, we'll do one question in which multiplication and subtraction is there. So we'll continue it tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.